Mr. Speaker, I want to align myself with the submission of the Deputy Speaker and others who have spoken against this motion. Mr. Speaker, I believe that keeping our borders closed is the best thing for Nigeria right now. The reason why I say this is because our local economy and our own local technology is growing. Mr. Speaker, if you look around the country, you will find that poultry, chickens, poultry farmers, and those who tend to chickens, they now use locally grown animal feeds. You'll also find that because of the the ban on rice importation, our Nigerian farmers are doing better and competing with other parts of the world. Mr. Speaker, keeping these borders closed is the best thing for our country. If you remember, South Africa grew when there was apartheid. At the time that there was the rest of the world shut them out. That was when their local industries, local manufacturing, because they had no choice, grew. As I speak to you, Mr. Speaker, the shoe manufacturing industry in Aba, in the east, southeast, all of them are flourishing because of this closure of borders. The minute we reopen our borders, the competition will affect the local growth of our own young entrepreneurs and our own locally homegrown industries, and also in the terms of food security. Like Deputy Speaker has said, the ECOWAS Treaty allows for free movement of goods. So locally, within ECOWAS, we can do this, but to allow borders to open to the rest of the world, Mr. Speaker, I think for now, let us leave our borders closed in the interest of our economy. Thank you.